Myntri ka Koit ka Khiah ka Jylla Kong Ampareen lengdo kala ong ba ka jingkhot thungkam kyrkieh yakinos hakadur jong contractual kadei namar ki donkam kyrkieh bun bha ki paramedics kiban trei haki Jaka Sumar bapher jong ka Jylla kum haki ICU FRU pharmacist haki lab bat kiwei Haba kren bat ki lab pathai Khubor ka Myntri kala ong ba ka daw bagi khot thungkam kyrkieh kadei namar ki sngewthuh bakan shimpor bha lada ap hadu bandai yo sanction Shushu ka Myntri kala jubab halor ka jengker pat nakinos ban thungkam kum ki contractual haki Jaka Sumar.
An advertisement. Yeah.
Nurses came to meet you, asking not to go for what we call
Contractual appointment.
Employment, but then permanent employment.
See, the group of nurses that I met are meeting me again. I've given them a date on 24th.
Yeah, they said on
24th. So let me meet them first. Unfortunately, there is a huge shortage of these paramedical forces in various institutions that have recently been set up in the state of Meghalaya. So we have these FRUs, these PECUs, these ICUs that Government of India has handheld the state of Meghalaya. Now these facilities are now getting inaugurated one after the other. We have better OTs, we have better facilities in PHCs. Certain CHCs are also now upgraded to FRUs. Now all of this requires an immediate attention. Having seen the gaps in the technical staff, we got a special sanction from the finance department of three nurses and how many paramedicals, like pharmacists, then lab attendants. We've just called the advertisement. So these are all contractual and appointment because they have still not yet received the proper sanctioning from Government of Meghalaya. It takes time for us to sanction these posts. But because these vacancies are there and are stopping these facilities from performing to the best that they can, we have received a sanction to immediately appoint on contract. This is not something new. Of all the nurses that I met, one of them was working in Negrams on contract. 3-4 were working in another private hospital, Supercare, on contract. Every institution is also engaging with them on contract. So now in that event, what do you want me to do? So I have requested them. So I said, why do you have a problem when anyways you're all working under the same circumstances? So they said that contractual nurses do not get, say for example, maternity leave of 6 months. Now that's a big concern for me. I will have to do something to ensure that they have that facility. So now we have to work on this. It takes time for me to discuss these matters with the officers because I cannot promise something which is beyond my capacity. They are apparently able to avail only 12 casual leaves per year. So they were not happy with that. So they highlighted a few of these difficulties. After which I have said that I did not have a ready answer for all of what they were asking me to do. I requested them to give me time. Officers were there. I've also assured them that very shortly, at least the vacancies that have arisen in the permanent sanctioned posts, 164 GNMs and 64 ANMs. I'm forgetting the exact numerical numbers, but it's around that much. Those now will be processed through proper procedures. Proper examinations will be put in place. The recruitment board will decide on the modalities. That will take time, but will likely happen around August, September. As and when official sanction has been accorded to these posts, I have no issues about giving the correct advertisement against these posts. Otherwise, we will have a problem. Like every workforce, these posts, for example, for nurses, GNMs, will be about 30 to 32,000 per month. Rather than a qualified nurse sitting at home, waiting for a sanction of a post to come through. If they can already apply, work in institutions, earn a livelihood, that would again help the nurses. But if you want me to keep waiting till the official sanction is accorded, then it's going to take a lot of time and it's going to be difficult. So this is what we've discussed.